Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kiwanna. Guys, in today's video, I have something different to share with you all. I showed you guys before of how I made my cinnamon roll silicone mold. Well, today I'm going to show you guys of how I make my cinnamon roll wax melt. So, if you guys want to see how I put these together, keep watching. Alright guys, the first thing I'm doing here is adding my wax into my wax melter. I'm going to melt a total of 3 pounds of soy wax, if you're wondering what kind it is as well. And it should take maybe 10 minutes, if that, over the double boiler. So this right here is how it looked after it's completely melted. It was once full and now it's not. So to fragrance our wax, I'm going to use this right here by Nature's Garden. This is iced cinnamon roll and this smells so good, guys. So I'm going to separate a little bit of the wax. The one in the cup is going to be for the icing. The one in the can is going to be for the cinnamon rolls itself. So I don't know if you guys got a chance to check out the video of me making my homemade cinnamon roll silicone mold, but I will post a link here above for you to go on over and check that out. So this winter white mica is what I'm going to use to color the icing, and I did get that from Nurture Soap. And this right here is what I'm going to use to color the wax, and I got this from the Flaming Candle. Now I did add in my fragrance oil, as you guys saw right there, and I did add a little bit into the icing. So this color block here in the color Cappuccino is what I use to color the wax for the cinnamon roll itself. So do you guys see that color right there? Yeah, it's perfect. Wait till you guys see how it looks when it's actually, you can see it there in the can of how it looked once it starts to solidify, and you guys can see it's not taking long at all to do that. Okay, this is not going to take no time to set up, so no worry with the little spills. Okay, just go ahead and get you a butter knife or a scraper and just scrape up that wax, and you can add that back into your tin and remelt it. Okay, do not throw anything away or whatever, guys. You can remelt that wax and get you another wax melt out of it. So like I said, you are going to have some spillage. That's just what it is when making candles or wax melts. So yeah, so here we are here after about 3 hours of sitting, and you guys can see they turned out perfect. Now if you have a little bit, you know, left in your mold there after pulling one out, it's okay. Just take it out and put it back in the tin, just like what you guys see me do a little while ago. It'll be totally fine. So I went on ahead and took the rest of these out. Now this right here is what I'm going to use to color the inside of the cinnamon roll. This is chocolate brown mica by Crafter's Choice. As you guys can see, this little thing here, this little jar has been through a lot. Okay, so yeah, I had this for a long time, and trust me, it a little go a long way, like I said. So as you guys can see here, I got all of the cinnamon, which is what I'm using that mica for, on the wax melts. It's, you know, pretending to be the cinnamon. Okay, I just felt it was perfect, especially with how dark the cinnamon is once it get wet. Yeah, this color was just perfect for that. So now that I got them all painted with the cinnamon, I'm gonna go on with the icing. And do you guys see that winter white mica that I add in there? How beautiful is that? It is all pearly and shimmery and just so cute. So I have my little pipette, and I'm just gonna drizzle. Oh, I did speed up this process. Okay, so I'm just drizzling over the icing over all of the cinnamon rolls. And guys, when I say they turned out cute, they turned out really cute. So how I sell my cinnamon rolls, I got these little 5-inch tins from Amazon, and I sell them in little pans of cinnamon rolls. Like, how cute is that? Because, you know, you buy a pan of hot cinnamon rolls, and yeah, you guys know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna do a little demo here for you guys, showing you of how it melt, and I'm also gonna speed up this process here, just showing you guys of how it melt. And yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. So I truly do hope you guys enjoyed this video of me showing you how I make my homemade cinnamon rolls. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give my video a thumbs up, support my channel by subscribing, and until next time, you guys take care. Bye.